Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys again how to pick the right products to buy for Amazon FBA business, right? But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here are some examples of products that I'm going to research for you guys. And that way you guys can verify, right, or learn how to do product research for your own business. So yeah, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your Amazon product page, right? It looks like this. And then open up the supplier page. And then from here you guys need to match, or not match, but check if the products match. So you check the title, description, color, size. And then from here you plug in the cost, right? So for this one, the product is $33.99. This one is buy one get one free. So let's see. So $33.99, right? $33.99 divided by 2 because it's buy one get one free. So now one piece is about $16.99. So you plug it here, $16.99, and then now you look at the numbers, right? So I usually look at the ROI, estimated sales per month. So ROI for this one is at 26%. Profit is at $4. Sales per month is $7.59 a month. Really good. Everything looks good. So now I go down the list, and I just need to verify if, or check if I'm willing to share 759 sales a month, right, with these other sellers who share this much in inventory, right? So in this case, I think it's really good because 750 sales a month is a lot, right? And plus, this product is also giving me a 31% ROI minimum, right? So it's really good. Let's keep a chart. Yeah, my keep a chart is not working at the moment, but yeah, it looks good though as far as seller amp. So to me, this is a good product to buy for a business. Next one is a Just Dance Nintendo Switch game. So this one is $19.99 from Target. Oh, let's see. Yeah, this one is not good because the price on Target, right, is $19.99, and then here on your Amazon product page, it's also $19.99. So I see that Amazon is a seller here, so I would just look at the Keepa chart. So yeah, Amazon has been on the listing the past, 3 months, and they're pricing this product really low. So this one I'm going to for sure avoid. And let's see the other sellers. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Well, so if you look at Amazon, right? Amazon has only 2 stock or inventory left, and then once they sell out, right? The next seller here is selling at 29.30. So let's plug that in actually. So 19.99, right? Let's see. Okay, never mind. So even at this price, it's still negative. So yeah, this one is a bad product. This one you would skip. Okay, next product. So next product is, what is this? Etch a sketch. So I think it looks like a toy from Target. Yeah, it looks like the same product. So the price on Target is $16.99. Price on Amazon is about $25. Sales per month is really high, $739. Yeah, this one's also negative. So clearly we're not going to buy this, right? Because as you guys can see, it's giving us a negative ROI. So we can't sell this product. So now we can move on to the next product. This next product is an Uno Attack card game. Let's see, so this one is 1989. 89. So it's giving us a 2% ROI. Yeah, this one is no good either. But since we're here, right? Since we like ran out of products to check, I will just show you guys how to like rabbit trail and start looking for other products based on other people's storefronts. So when I find a good product to source, I usually look at the other sellers too, and then from here I pick a seller with, I want to say, like 100 ratings or less, right? So for example, this one right here. So this seller has 54 ratings on the store. And then what I would like to do is, or I like to do is, I go through the seller's storefront, and then I look for the source of its products, right? So this seller seems to be selling a lot of video games. So I would pick this one, for example, this Nintendo Switch game, and then I would go open up the Amazon product page right there. And then here I would click on the Google shopping page. And then I would see if this, if this seller's product makes sense. So we need to run the numbers. So the selling price on Amazon is how much? So new is 34, right? 34.25 or $35, okay, right there. So now we can look at the products from other sources. So for example, this one from GameStop, right? I think this is a good one. Nintendo Switch. Okay. Okay, this one is $20.99. Oh, it's a PC. It's for PC though, right there. So, um, yeah, I won't be able to find it, I think, on this batch. But yeah, if you guys run out of products to source, I would pick an online arbitrage product like this one, and then I would go through the different sellers, right? Pick sellers with like 100 or less ratings, and then I would storefront stock their store and look for their products, look for a supplier, and hopefully you guys find some products that you guys can sell on your Amazon store. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to put the link in my description below, and that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.